Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. Europe is super cool with its amazing history, fun cultures and beautiful places. Planning a trip there is exciting, but it can also feel a bit scary if you've never been. Don't worry, I'm here to help. We're going to learn 5 important tips to make your European adventure easy, awesome and way more fun than you can imagine. Grab your notebook, let's get started. Before you even set foot in Europe, spend a little time learning about how people do things in the places you're going to visit. Europe is full of different cultures, each with its own special traditions and ways of doing things. For example, in some countries, people greet each other with a kiss on both cheeks. In other countries, a simple handshake is all you need. Understanding these little things will not only help you avoid feeling awkward, but also show that you respect the local culture. Trust me, a little understanding goes a long way. One of the biggest mistakes new travelers to Europe make is packing too much stuff. Remember, you're on vacation, not a fashion show. Pack light and bring only the important things. Choose clothes that you can mix and match to save space. This way you won't have to carry heavy suitcases through busy streets and train stations. And hey, if you forget something, don't worry, you can always buy it there. It's all part of the adventure. Don't worry, you don't need to be fluent in every language, but learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make your trip way better. Simple greetings like hello, please, thank you, and excuse me can show people that you respect them. Plus, it's amazing how a little effort to speak their language can make people smile. Remember, traveling is all about connecting with people, and language is the key. Europe has awesome public transportation, from super-fast trains to easy-to-use buses and subways. It's not only cheaper, but it's also a great way to see the sights and how people live there. Skip the stress of driving and getting lost and just hop on a train or bus. You'll get to chat with locals, read a book, or just enjoy the view. Just like anywhere else in the world, it's super important to be aware of what's going on around you when you're traveling in Europe. Pay attention to your belongings, especially in crowded places like tourist spots and public transportation. Keep your valuable things safe and don't show off lots of cash. Remember, a little common sense goes a long way in having a safe and fun trip. And hey, if you're not sure about something, don't be afraid to ask locals for advice. They're usually happy to help. And there you have it. 5 important tips to make your European adventure unforgettable. Remember, traveling is all about trying new things, learning about new cultures, and making memories that will last forever. So, pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready for an amazing journey through Europe. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.